We want to differentiate e to the x plus y with respect to x. If we differentiate e to the x plus y, then the start of this must be that we get e to the x plus y. Remember, if we differentiate e to the x, we just get e to the x. By the chain rule, we then need to multiply by the differential of the inside function. The inside function is x plus y. Differentiating x with respect to x gives us 1. Differentiating y with respect to x gives us dy dx. And so the final result here is 1 plus dy dx multiplied by e to the x plus y.